So hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial series, we will be doing a small project on Ruby on Rails so as to give you a better understanding of how things works in Ruby on Rails. And yes, the project will be a simple blog. So let me give you a small little quick prerequisite for this tutorial series is a little knowledge of Ruby language. That's just because Rails is nothing but Ruby inside. So it's better to get a little bit of knowledge about the syntax of Ruby language itself. So let's get started. Let's create a Rails application. Mm, you can do it by typing Rails new and whatever you would like to call your project. I'm calling this a blog, and this will, as you can see, generate several files that we will be working with. And now it is installing the basic gem, and that's from rubyonrails.org. Let it complete first. So let's see what I have here. So let's cd into this folder, and also I am assuming that you have Ruby installed on your system. So let's open this in text editor. I am using Sublime. You can see that there is a lot of folders in this project, and we will be working mostly with controllers and models and views. And for database, we will be working with this DB, and there will be going to be a folder for migration as well as soon as we create one. So let's start building something. So for the architecture part, let's create a new file that we are going to use to write our application architecture plan. So we will be needing a page to display all the articles that a user or particular user just wrote. So we will be needing let's write controllers first. So the very first controller that we will be using is static controller. And the next one we will be using to control users operations. It is going to be users controller. The next is so as to control articles that that our blog has. We are going to use an articles controller, and that's pretty much it for the controllers. And we will be adding more if we need to. So let's look at the models part. So we will be using user model and article model. Of course, the table that we are going to use to store users data or articles data is first is users table, and second is going to be articles table, and that's pretty much it for our blog. So in the next tutorial we will be starting implementing our project. So thanks for watching.